What's up, everybody? It's your boy F30 Reese, and I'm going to show you how I clean this for 50 bucks. Okay, let's get to it. So you can see how this all looks dirty, disgusting, and everything. Leaves everywhere, dirt everywhere. The air intake is dirty. Like, the only good thing right now is it has no engine leaks. Knock on wood. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this cleaned up, and then we're gonna see what it looks like afterwards. First thing we want to do is get this taken care of. I'm going to take this off because we don't want no water in the engine. Engines do not like water in the places that they don't need water. Anyway, we're going to get this taken off, and then from there we're going to get started. All right, first thing we want to do is we want to take this off because we do not want it getting wet. We want to keep that dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this 11-in-1, or you can use a flathead, or I want to say 5/16, and you should be able to take this straight off. This just has everything that you need. Actually, pretty much take anything off that has a flathead. So I'm gonna take that off, loosen this up, and then we're gonna pretty much slide it off. Sometimes it may be a little tricky to take it off because it's been on there for a second. So I'm gonna set that to the side and put that over, and then we want to keep this from getting water in it. I'm gonna use a glove and some tape, and hopefully, yep, that stays on. So, and because I am extra careful, I'm going to be, I want to be extra careful and a little paranoid with this stuff. I'm gonna tape it just to be on the safe side. So I'm gonna take this tape, and I am going to tape around it. Any tape other than that clear tape you use to wrap gifts with, probably wouldn't use that, but this should be fine for what we're doing. And why not another glove? The safety and water is key. All right, boom. Get these leaves out the way, and then we're gonna start putting soap on it, and we're gonna start getting clean.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now, remember I said I was going to clean it for 50 bucks? This is what I am talking about. The Ryobi, pretty much it's like a pressure washer. But I picked it up for 50 bucks. I already had a battery for it, but it comes with with a hose and multiple attachments. I will do a review on it later. But yeah, this cost me 50 bucks, and I can pretty much wash the car, engines, whatever. So we pretty much got everything soaped up that we can get soap on. It's kind of hard to see the soap because it faded away, but there's soap there, trust me. All right, so next thing we want to do is just get it rinsed off. So we're all rinsed off. Everything is starting to look a little bit better. So let's get it dried off, and we'll see what it looks like afterwards. All right, she's all dried off and clean, minus the air filter. Don't pay attention to that. But she's all dried and cleaned off. What do you guys think? I think it turned out pretty good. Chemical guys. You can put on any plastic on the side trim or any plastic trim, and just spray it, and just keeps it black, or yeah, just keeps it black because most of it's black anyway. Anyway. right, one last look. She is all shined out. I think she looks pretty good. All right, so the engine's pretty much cleaned, shined, and everything. I think it looks good. Minus that, we'll do a separate video on that. But if you like these videos and you want more like this, please like, subscribe, comment, and stay tuned for more videos. F30 Reese out.